Hey guys, so in today's video I'm gonna do yet another Amazon haul, and this time I shopped for a lot of winter related products, be it beauty products or clothing items. Recently I had gone to a trip to Amritsar and it was like really chilly out there, but when I had spoken to a couple of people there, like for hotel bookings and everything, they told me that it's quite warm here, so you don't really need to carry warm clothes. So I did not carry warm clothes, and it was quite chilly there, especially in the morning, evening, and at night. Sif dopair ko it was like sort of pleasant, but otherwise it was quite chilly, and I was like shivering throughout the trip. So that's when I decided that I need good warm clothes for my upcoming trips, so that I don't really end up like being all cold. So that's why I decided to order some really nice jackets and everything, winterish for my upcoming trips. And Amazon was the first website that came to my mind because they are currently running a huge sale on their website as well as on their app, and the discounts that they're offering are amazing, and the prices are really competitive. And I've always had like a good experience with Amazon regarding their delivery, product quality, and basically every single thing. So that's why I decided to shop for a bunch of items from Amazon, as you can see in the frame. So firstly, I'm going to be starting off with this package. It's quite soft and squishy, and I believe I have my winter jackets in here. So I know everything that I ordered, but I don't know which parcel contains what, so I might act a little surprised every single time that I see these things. Okay, so this contains 2 jackets. The first one is this very beautiful tan color jacket, and that is how it looks like. It's so beautiful, and it's got this hoodie thing with a fur. So the material is very soft. It's so soft, like all I want to do is just hug this and go to bed. It's that soft. And it's also got a zip over here. And that is how it looks like on the inside. And inside, while the material is, it's soft, but it's not the same material that is outside. But it's a very nice and skin friendly material. So overall, this jacket feels really warm. Like I'm damn sure I'm gonna feel like very warm inside this. So it's a perfect jacket to carry to cold places. It's a perfect jacket for the winter season. And that is how the second jacket looks like. Again, it's got the same quilted, very soft, very squishy material, and it comes with a zip. And inside, while the material is also the same, it's got pockets inside. Oh my god, it's got pockets inside. And this one doesn't come with a hoodie like the previous one, but overall it's a very nice, very good quality jacket. And I purposely got both of these colors because they're so neutral. They're pretty much gonna go with all outfits. Like I can wear anything inside and then top it off with this jacket, and it's gonna look good. So that's the reason why I got such neutral colors. They had a lot of other colors as well. Next up, I'm gonna open this tiny parcel. And this contains a shawl, and look at the texture, the detailing that's going on the shawl. It's got this shimmer design all over, and once I open it, that is how it looks like. The material is really nice and it's really soft, but the glitter and everything is sort of gonna like pinch you a little bit on your skin. So make sure that you have like a good amount of moisturizer on so that it doesn't irritate your skin as much. And overall, it's a very nice fancy shawl, something that you can wear for parties as well. If like you're going to a very cold place and you're going to be partying there, maybe like a bonfire party or something, you can wear this. It's going to look really pretty. And I got black in this because black goes with all outfits. That's the reason why I got this. Okay, so we have Luxura Sciences African Shea Butter. This is raw and unrefined. Now shea butter is one of the best moisturizers when it comes to winter moisturizers, and this is raw and unrefined version of shea butter, so it's going to be like really hydrating. This is all pure shea butter only, and that's the reason why I bought this. So I'm really looking forward to try this out. Maybe I'll like try it out, see how it works on me, and maybe do a review about this. Next up, I'm going to open this one. Okay, so this contains another jacket, and this one's by Alan Solly. That is how it looks like. I really love the vibrant yellow color, and it's also got this hoodie thing, and it has a zip on the front, which once you open, that is how it looks like from the inside. The material is very smooth and soft on the inside. It's something that's going to hug your body so nicely. You're going to feel like really cozy in this. It's very soft on the inside, and on the outside it's sort of like, you know, a very thick cotton, sort of a woolen material, and the material overall is really thick, so it's a very nice and warm jacket. It's going to keep you warm for sure. ये सब मुझे I don't think you know बॉम्बे की ठंड में काम आने वाला है. All this I can only use if I go somewhere, so yeah, I think I'm gonna plan trips just to wear these things. And we have another item in here. Okay, so this is Wadi Herbal's foot cream, which contains clove oil and sandalwood. I gathered so many moisturizers for my face and for my body for the winters, but foot cream, like this is my first one. So that is how it looks like, and I'm really looking forward to try this out. It's got a very therapeutic smell. I absolutely love the smell of this, and my feet have started to become a little bit dry since the winters have finally approached. So I think this is going to come really handy for me. I'm going to try and test this out, and maybe let you guys know about my review about this in one of my videos. Finally, moving on to the last box of today. The first thing in here is a cap. Everything that they send is packed so well and so securely that it takes a lot of time to open. So that is how the cap looks like. It's a denim cap, and I didn't have a lot of caps, and that's the reason why I got this. It looks really cool when you know wear it to adventure wale places, or when you just wear it like on a day out or for brunch or something. When you just wear a cap like this, it looks really cool. And I haven't really worn a lot of caps in my life, and when I saw this on a discount, I really wanted to try it out. So that's the reason why I got this. The material inside is nice, and the material on this the thing that comes in the front is very soft. Overall, it seems like a good quality denim cap, and I'm really looking forward to style this. And the last product that I got is by Plum. It is their body oil in the variant Vanilla Whites. Now, I'm a huge fan of body oils, even more than you know, body creams and body butters. I really enjoy using body oils for the winter season because they are much more easier to apply, and they blend into the skin much better, and they provide better results. They provide better amount of nourishment. So that's the reason why I love using body oils. I didn't really have any body oils left in my stash, and that's the reason why I picked this one. Moreover, it's in the variant Vanilla. Vanilla is one of my favorite fragrances, so I'm really looking forward to try this out. So yeah, those are all of the winter related items that I got, and I am like, I just cannot wait to try all of these things out, especially the jackets. I'm surely going to be planning trips just to wear those jackets. That's how much I love them, and that's how much I'm excited to wear them. So in case if you want to purchase any of these products, the links to purchase all of them is mentioned in the description box below. I highly recommend you check out Amazon sale. They have amazing discounts going on. The prices are really good, and the quality of all of the products that I've ever ordered from Amazon is always been top notch. So make sure that you try out you know, products from Amazon, especially their winter products. They are really good. So yeah, that was my video for today. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.